Everyone, this is John Wallachy, and we are now on week 2 of our drone drop raffle drawing. And so what we're going to do today is we're going to select 200 lucky winners, and what you're going to win after entering the IBM Drone Drop Challenge is you're going to win a Tello drone, an IBM t-shirt, a sticker, and we're going to teach you how to program the drone. I'll talk about that in a couple of moments. But if you want to tell your friends, what you can do is go to developer.ibm.com/contest, and there's an enter now button. Those that are eligible to win, you do have to be a resident of the US, Canada, UK, or Spain. If you're not a resident of those countries, you're not eligible to win, so we filter you out. Sorry. But if you are eligible, we hope that you can win a drone. And so that's what we're going to do today is we're going to jump over to the drone drop challenge and start our little raffle drum. So we had a whole lot of entries over the last week. And then if you do win, now remember you just gave us your zip code and city and country so we can validate your eligibility. You're going to get an email that announces that you are a winner, and you have to come back and actually give us your shipping address because we want to send you a drone in the next couple of weeks. And so if you see the you're a winner email, then you do have to come and give us your full shipping address, get it right, mailing your full street and so forth. All right, so then when you get your drone, you're going to be able to program it, which is the cool thing about the little Tello. It's got a camera, it's programmable, so we can send it commands, and we can capture the video stream and send the video stream up to Watson visual recognition and get back results. And I kind of give you a little tutorial here on what you're going to learn, and you'll be able to jump up. And if you're a Node-RED programmer, it's really simple, drag and drop, and we're going to show you how to program your drone. Last week, remember, I was in Sydney, and I flew the drone in the exhibition hall, which I got in trouble for. But it was kind of cool because what it actually discovered is it knew it was an exhibition hall. It knew it was indoors. It thought it was an air terminal, but I thought that was pretty clever. And so you're going to be able to build a dashboard to fly your drone and actually get from Watson visual recognition results. All right, so let's turn to the raffle here. I want to kick that off. And so remember, we're just going to pick 200 names. This is week 2. So we're going to pick week 2. We're going to hit the start button, and we're going to hit submit. And so here we go. Dario M. And Rick M. from Middlebury. And so hopefully you'll see your name scroll past here. And if you gave us a valid zip code, I was able to look up your zip code. So a bunch of people from Pittsburgh, and let's see if we get someone from Canada coming through. See a bunch of, oh yeah, maybe North York, that might be UK. And so the hope is you see your name. And so what you see in here at the little slider, I'm just picking random numbers in the giant array. And if you happen to be that person, you're going to be a winner this week. If you're an IBMer and we select your name, I see your IBM email address is invalid for eligibility rules. And so I throw your name away and I pick someone else from the list. So let's see, we got some good names here. Thomas from Rogers. I should put the city in addition. Well, I got the city, but I don't have the state because now we have more than just US and Canada. We'll have to make some improvements to my little program here. Merritt Island. I was hoping that folks, I looked through the data earlier, And I see people entering from Spain and the UK, so that's awesome. I hope you're winners too. Um, hope your names are scrolling by. Um, could tell you how many more names we got to go. We're doing all right though. So 200 names, about a second a name. We're gonna take 200 seconds to pick the 200 winners. So it should take about 3 to 5 minutes here. I could obviously pick names faster, but then you don't get to see your name up on the light board here. Interesting where that country is. Now, if you entered and you're not and you're selected, I'll go and pick some alternates that are if you're not eligible. See a couple of folks. I'm not sure where that one looked like France. We must be getting close to the end here. We're at 152. So we got 50 more names to draw. I hope you're the winners. What else can I tell you about the drone drop? So tell your friends and your developer friends about the drone, and you can win a drone. In the next couple of weeks, I'll fly the drone for you, and you can see me crash into my green screen. I did that last year, and that was all good fun. My green screen's right behind me, so there's not a lot of room to fly the drone. It doesn't. It's like 8 ounces. It's a toy. If I get hit, it doesn't hurt. Um, so don't worry about that. All right, I think that was the end. So we just finished our 200 names of winners, and I think Paul and Furquay, you guys are the last one. So congratulations to all the winners. Tune in next week. We're going to draw 300 names out of our virtual raffle drum, and then we'll be back for week 4 and week 5 for 300, and then of course the final finale we'll draw our 1,500 total drones. All right, thanks everyone. Good luck.